it's yours! Mine! No! Good. Go, Richard Parker. Go on home. I'll leave you alone. I'll respect that. Promise. Go. Come on. Yes! What are you looking at? Tell me what you see. We're dying, Richard Parker. I'm sorry. I'm happy I'm going to see you soon.